Guys, we would like to present you our solution. So we decided to start with a role play where Matt is playing the L&T manager and I'm the current customer of L&T. I'm a building owner. And this is a meeting that L&T is facilitating, and this is how it goes. So enjoy.
Okay, well, thank you for meeting with us today. You've been one of our most valued customers over the last few years. How have things been going? Are you happy?
Thanks for inviting me. Yes, you're a great service provider, and we had no troubles receiving all the monthly statistics from you, which is great. But I can tell you, all these waste disposal rates are just growing, and it's a huge problem for us. I feel like it.
Yes, well, the landfill tax rates have just been rising steadily, and about 60% of your waste is actually mixed waste. It goes directly to the landfills. It's a huge cost burden on you, on the city, and also on the environment. We have a new program for improving consumer sorting in spaces such as yours. Would you have some time to hear about that today?
Well, if it decreases my costs, then I would definitely love to hear about it. Yeah.
Great. So based on some pretty profound results we have from research, we have developed a customized solution for reducing mixed waste in spaces like yours, based on 3 problem categories that we've identified. So consumers such as the ones working in your building are usually missing one or all of the following things: knowledge, motivation, and the tools or means to sort their waste properly. So right now I'll just walk you through the 3 components of our package.
Let's see.
So here we have the 3 targets of our program, all of which we believe are needed to achieve the optimal sorting of consumer waste. And we have named our program ZW Pro. So to address the knowledge part of the consumer problem, we have developed a marketing campaign based on this group of characters. These characters will be the channel through which we can educate consumers in an interesting, simple, and targeted fashion. Now, to address the motivation for sorting, we have developed media such as these images on bins for the awareness and transparency of what we like to call the waste journey, so that people can feel connected to their waste, but also the consequences of their sorting, both good and bad. In the final component of our program is proprietary software we have developed called Binks for optimizing the bins in a space such as this, your offices, for example. First, a consultant will work to determine the main points of waste generation within your space. From there, the distance over which each person will travel, based on the variables quantified in our research, is calculated for each point of waste generation. Those are depicted in these large circles here. Finally, the bin allocations are optimized based on all the variables to achieve a balance between the need for the bins, but also the efficiency both of space and maintenance resources for the bins.
Wow, thank you, Matt, for explaining the solution. I'm really interested. But tell me how much would it cost me to implement the solution of this package?
Well, we can't give you sort of an exact standard cost because the costs are all based on we have to do an evaluation of your situation and your space. And then what we do is we come up with a series of packages with different values, and then you can sort of choose which components you would like to include based on those packages. And we'll give you a price associated also with those packages.
So should I pay the upfront fee, or would it be a subscription fee?
Well, actually, the way we have it set up is that it's a subscription-based fee, and then that way it allows us to improve the program over the course of time that you are paying for it.
Awesome. Well, yes, that's great. And can you name other benefits that I can get from this package?
Sure. I mean, aside from saving money, it can be used sort of as a marketing for your own company, because the world is trending towards this sort of circular economy, and it's really it can be advertised. We'll provide you with statistics of your increased waste sorting. And you can really use that to bring in more customers and really boost your image of the company.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.